My name is Ken Drummond, and I want to welcome you to this wonderful information and an introduction to a system that I've been able to use that has really brought me to the level of success that I have. Now, there's something about desire. Success is a journey, it's not a destination. And if you're looking at making this journey, there are some information that you need to equip yourself with. The first thing you want to ask yourself, all right, is where do you belong right now? How are you going to feel if you have total control over every aspect of your life? There's something about money that you should know. And I got exposed to this amazing information by Robert Kiyosaki. All right, it's called the cash flow quadrant. And now this quadrant captures 4 categories of people in the money quadrant. Now, it means everybody who earns money falls in these categories of people. Now, the reason I'm showing you this, because we're making a journey, I want you to understand that if I'm going to get to where I'm going, I should be able to know where I am. Where are you right now in your finances? There are people who give out time to earn money, and that falls in the 95% of people, either self-employed or people who are actually working for a check. They give time to earn money. Now, the restricting thing about this is your money is capped, all right? You're paid based on the money, that the time you put in to earn money, all right? And we've seen that 95% of people, they work to earn 5% of the circulation of money in the world. That is why it's called a rat race. If you only get to have a job or you work for yourself, it's not a bad way to start, but if that is the only way you earn money, it's dangerous, because you see that life expenses, things are going up, but your money is not going up. That's dangerous. Now we have on the right side, we have the investors and the business owner. Now, what we are really sharing with you today is a way you can actually make a transition from where is it that you are into a business owner or an investor. But I believe you want to know ways you can actually be among the 5%. And I want to introduce you to the foreign exchange market. That is what our system actually gave us an opportunity to be exposed to how you could leverage over a market that is really doing pretty well. You know how many zeros are in this market? Imagine every day, you are involved in a market that is moving over $5.3 trillion, actually $6.6 trillion on an average daily. Now, it's trading. See, the beautiful thing about this market and why you should learn this skill is that you have an opportunity to capitalize time, the time factor that you can trade is 5 days, in a week. So it's almost like the market is open 24/7, 5 days in a week. So you could make up time. And I actually love the fact that you can actually leverage over this space without owning physical cash. It means with your mobile phone or your system, anyone, could be part of the financial market, that large sum of money moving in the market. I want to introduce you to something else, which this system really gave us an opportunity to look at. Now you've heard about the DCX or cryptocurrency or virtual currencies. This space has actually created the highest numbers of millionaires all over the world. You want to ask yourself, are you making money from cryptocurrency today? Are you making money from DCX? What I would ask you, if you know what you know about Bitcoin today, if you had gone back 10 years in time to invest, would you have done it? I know a lot of you people will say yes, but why are you not taking advantage of cryptocurrency today? The challenge for most people is that they're not well taught, they're not well informed. Cryptocurrency, is an environment that is moving into the trillions of dollars in market cap. It means the liquidity, the availability, the extension is quite big, and it's fast becoming several means of payment legally all over the world. And now you can actually trade this space without owning physical cash. It means you could learn how to trade it, learn how to invest in it, and I can actually tell you that what you know about cryptocurrency is limited, because there are 6 ways you could leverage over the crypto space and make money. And a lot of people are only doing the small part of it, which is trading either by margin or by investing. I want to tell you what you need to take advantage of this space, like I'd always say, is an environment where you could actually learn. That is what our system put together. The I Am Mastery Academy, has been operating over 8 years, this period of 8 years. And what they did is that they created 3 systems. So what the system actually put together is a platform where you could get exposed to learning. And now you can learn how to master the market, knowing how to build real wealth and freedom. This is really what I love about the system. Because if I had come in, and it's about just making money, I probably wouldn't have been that person that is going to be here today teaching you or showing you a way you can be successful. But I found out a way you could leverage through education. And now they put together a system where they broke down the module in different environments. So we have the Forex Academy where you could leverage and actually make money through currencies. And also we have the HFX Academy. Now this is Forex, but a different way you can earn money. I'm actually today in the platform an educator in the HFX space. Well, when I came in, I started from Forex, but HFX is also Forex, but this time you make money or you leverage or trade the market based on time expiration, and it's quite a beautiful space. Why? Because a lot of people want to control their time, so you could actually go into the market and you could go in and out in minutes, in hours, in days. You can control, you can say an exact time you want to leverage over the market and make money, and it's quite interesting. Millions of people all over the world are actually leveraging over this space, and this is really one thing you want to pay attention to. The another academy is actually what the Cryptocurrency Academy. So this space provides you with learning module, already recorded videos that you have access to that takes you from basic to advanced. All right, and now this is another space where you could learn from professionals how to build another stream of income in our platform, but I'm not really going to talk about that now. But one thing you want to know is the mentorship. So the first thing is the system of education. The second thing is the mentorship. They say mentorship is the legal shortcut to success. A lot of people have actually wasted time, years, and resources, money out there on the internet just trying to look for ways they could know how to trade. But I want to tell you something. For you to become successful in this space, 10% is going to come from the skill set. All right, 90 to 99% is going to come from you following a mentor, having a system of mentorship, and that's really what a lot of people don't know, that we are willing to show people who are ready to go through the right path. So mentorship. So our system of Go Live, you have access to over 100 educators. Presently right now we have access to over 200 educators where you could join them every day. All right, you could actually learn from them at your own time, all right, through their own mentorship centered around your own schedule. This is the beautiful thing. They have times they come on every day, and you can pick the educators you want to follow, and you learn what it is that have made them successful. And I love this part because everything that I learned today, all right, I learned from someone who was already successful in that field, had results both monetarily and what system-wise based on leadership. And I was able to really capitalize in another beautiful way. Softwares, tools, technology makes things easy. The way you capitalize on technology, you're watching this today, right, from the comfort of your home. Some of you live on technology. Trading actually has gone into another step where you could leverage over. We have several weapons. It's a war, all right? And if you're fighting this war with just your mind, because you're not experienced, majority of people lose. But now you have access to software that were created, all right, based on algorithms with people who are already successful, and the success rate of these softwares are quite amazing. I'm not going to tell you any number here, but when you come in here to experience our softwares, so we have several software that goes into the market, analyze the market, tell you when to buy, when to sell. And the beautiful thing about this is it takes care of several categories of people. Some people don't have time to go into the market actively to trade, all right, but because of the softwares we have, they get notifications just like a message, and they can actually leverage over these softwares. Another beautiful part of this is you can actually learn on the go, all right, having your mobile phone give you trade ideas. Our Learn on the Go applications actually send ideas from experts in the market. So they have access to the market, they trade the market, they look at the market, and whenever they see an idea that is going to buy or sell, they put into these applications, and you, because you have this application downloaded on your mobile phone, you're going to get this application, and all you need to do is copy and paste. A lot of people love copy and paste. Another beautiful space is everything that I've said is in a school, virtual school. It's called the IAM.center. You have access to this school, and all you just need to do from your mobile phone, from your system, you can log in. You have access to the academy, you have access to the Go Live, and you also have access to the system. You know, one of the things is that our system has actually produced lots of success stories, and I just want to tell you about, you know, this amazing gentleman. He's someone who's a mentor, a personal mentor to me, all the way from Trinidad and Tobago. You can see what he said. I am wealthy, you know, work more than money. It has taught me how to create and build real wealth, allowing me to spend more time. What's success to you? You know, these individuals is a millionaire mentor today, but I tell you, 5 years ago, you know, prior when getting started in the system, he even actually borrowed the money to get started. And today, he's made multiple 6-7 figure income earners, not just for himself, but other people through this our system. He's a personal mentor to me that has actually helped me. All right, he's not an educator as a trader, but being a mentor in this system, helping individuals really get to see the value of this system, has been a remarkable journey for me. And you know, you will be asking yourself right about now that, you know, what is he going to get, you know, to start in this system, to get started? Because at the end of the day, all of this beautiful information all right, it's not worth anything if you don't get started. And I could tell you, when I saw the amount of what it takes to get started, at first I thought it was a scam, because being in this environment for the years, I've seen a lot of people spend quite an amount of money to get started in the financial market, to learn how to trade. People have even traveled abroad, all right, you know, leaving the home country to learn in specific institution. It takes quite a while, but this company actually made it so easy that with just $235, all right, you can actually get started. Pick the Forex pack, the HFX pack, or you know, we have the DCX pack. These are individual pack, and it has a monthly tuition of $174.95, and that actually keeps the system what it is today. You know, for me, I get to tell people, because when they say this, why should I pay every month? And I get to ask people, everything you live legally on is on a subscription. That is one of the things I found in business that actually make me identify, you know, good system. Everything is legal. Your house rent, YouTube, you know, your mobile subscription, everything legal is on a subscription. So this school, the education we're actually buying to, is actually still on a subscription. So with just $175, I get access to the education, the mentorship, and softwares that I would use. That's quite remarkable. But another beautiful thing is that you can come in, you know, to pick the Elite Academy, all right, Elite Pack, which gives you access to Forex, HFX, and DCX, all encompassed, all right, with just $325, $275 every single month. Now, if you go and you take advantage of the Platinum Pack, you have access to just a few, all right, and you can now begin to pick add-ons, and that's why I actually love people to go for the Elite, because now you have access to learn and leverage, all right. But you could start with whatsoever, maybe because of a budget, you could pick the instrument or softwares that are really important to you. You could pick them on an add-on, all right, and you could actually have access. But the Elite gives you access to learning and leverage. I tell everyone who come into this space, it's not a fast reach process, all right. You're going to need between the period of 6 months to 18 months to perfect the skill, all right. But the beautiful thing, because of the kind of environment we have, you could actually come in your first month, all right, you could start earning, which is true leverage, by copy paste, joining the educators, learning how to identify areas to pick, investing in crypto, all of those things you could start earning by leveraging, all right. That is why I love the Elite Pack, all right. And another beautiful thing this company actually did for individuals is a lot of people love to afford free. So some people may have the constraint of, how can I pay for the monthly tuition? They actually created a program where you could help 2 individuals within your first 28 days in the system. So you come in with a pack, all right, and you help 2 individuals come in with that same pack. You're going to get your next month's subscription paid for free. You don't have to pay anything, and you have access to that, you know, system for a whole month. And if you have active 2 individuals as a customer in this system, it means every other month, as long as you have 2 active customers, you don't have to pay. You could now take our time, learn at your own pace, all right, and getting everything for free. If you saw value in what it is that I've shared with you, you want to get back, you know, let's get you started. Take the bold step, all right. In 2022 is going to be a flood of individuals that are going to come to several figures in income, and I want you to be that one person that will take that decision, and I'm ready to work with you. Let's go.